Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In today's video you will find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Taking a look at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, it can be seen that the price went down with around 3.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $2,984. And the move wasn't very strong as the volume wasn't very high. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 200 SMA downwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 200 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 3,052. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, currently, the hourly RSI of 29 can be found in the lower region, meaning that the price is being more or less oversold and we can expect a comeback, or for the price at least to remain stable for some time. Searching for divergence in the hourly time frame, owing to the bearish divergence, the price has already gone down. Looking at the hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently indecisive, so consolidation for some time or shifting the momentum could be expected, and it is to wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the downside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 3,050. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 39. So it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 2,935, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 3,194 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 44, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Moving to the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently indecisive, so consolidation for some time or shifting the momentum could be expected, and it is to wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.